Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix GTA 5 enhanced texture not loading with simple and effective solution.
Fix 1. Increase texture and video memory settings. Step 1. Open GTA 5 Settings Graphics. Step 2. Set texture quality equals high/very high. Step 3. Lower other options until video memory bar stays in green. Fix 2. Update graphics drivers. Step 1. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience/AMD Adrenalin. Step 2. Download and install the latest GPU driver. Step 3. Restart your PC. Fix 3. Verify game files. Step 1. Open Steam/Epic Games Launcher. Step 2. Go to Library GTA 5 Property. Step 3. Click Verify integrity of game files. Fix 4. Disable mods and reshade. Step 1. Remove mods folder/enb/reshade files. Step 2. Launch GTA 5 in clean, vanilla mode. Fix 5. Change DirectX version. Step 1. Go to Settings, Graphics. Step 2. Switch DirectX 11 left arrow DirectX 10. Step 3. Restart the game. Fix 6. Increase page file, virtual memory. Step 1. Open System Properties, Advanced Performance. Step 2. Set virtual memory to System Manage. Step 3. Restart PC.